Can Google Veo 3 actually conquer the world of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts by creating stunning 916 vertical videos? Let's find out. First, we need to access the Google Veo 3 platform and navigate to the project settings here. We're looking for the aspect ratio options. Locate the aspect ratio drop-down menu. You should find an option for 916. Select this to ensure your video is formatted for vertical viewing. Now, import your video clips into the timeline. Arrange them in the order you desire. You can use Veo 3's editing tools to trim, add transitions, and apply effects. Remember to keep the vertical format in mind while editing. Veo 3 allows for easy addition of text overlays and graphics. Use these features to make your video more engaging and informative for your mobile audience. Consider adding captions, titles, and calls to action. Before exporting, double-check your resolution and frame rate settings. Aim for a resolution of at least 1080 by 1920 and a frame rate of 30 fps for optimal quality on social media platforms. Finally, export your video and preview it on your smartphone to ensure it looks perfect. You're now ready to upload your Google Veo 3 created 916 masterpiece to your favorite social media platforms. Go forth and conquer the vertical video world.